Former Australian captain, Ricky Ponting has made a big prediction regarding Pakistan cricket team captain, Babar Azam. Australia's former stylish batsman and captain Ricky Ponting praised Babar Azam and said that he is a technically excellent cricketer, he plays spin and fast bowling well, and adapts to every condition. He further said that Babar Azam has all the qualities that make a good player a great player. The former Australian captain further said that Babar plays long innings in tests and dominates the innings in ODIs. Ricky Ponting said that Babar Azam's best cricket is yet to come. Most batsmen reach their peak after the age of 30. What Babar Azam is doing now will improve. I like to see Babar Azam batting. The former Test cricketer also said that Babar's captaincy will also improve with time. With experience, Babar Azam will get the place in captaincy that he got in batting. At the end of Babar Azam's career, he will be among the great players of the world.